In this video, I'm going to cover keyword competition and the top 1,000 keywords. So to start with, I want to make sure keyword competition is selected. I'm then going to come down and give my campaign a name and enter the research keyword. For this example, we'll just do espresso machines. Now down here, you can also choose how many results you want to get from this one keyword, with 100 being the minimum to 1,000 being the most. Now, once you select how many results you want, you'll notice down here at the bottom, the estimated credit cost is going to be 30. So you're going to know this before you submit your campaign. Once the campaign is complete, you'll then see it deducted from your total amount here at the top. All these other options, I'm going to keep the same, so I'll go ahead and click Create. It took less than 30 seconds and we already have all of our data. Let's go ahead and click it. If we scroll down, you're going to see your list of keywords here, along with the estimated search volume, cost per click, competition level, difficulty, and even the keyword trend. So this is over a period of the past 12 months. You can actually see how well the keywords are doing over time, so you know whether it's one you really want to jump into now or just let it go. For the keywords, you can also search them directly by clicking these links. So if you want to search this keyword on Google, you would simply click the Google icon and it's going to open up a new tab. The same thing with Amazon, YouTube, and even Google Trends. Now the idea behind this is to find the keywords that has low competition and low difficulty. So we're going to scroll through this list, and I don't see any here that has a low competition and a low difficulty rating. So we're going to go ahead and go to page 2. Now right here at the bottom of page 2, you can see that this one here, the Italian manual espresso machine, it gets around 6,600 searches a month, and it has a low competition and difficulty rating. So the difficulty rating is really what you want to pay the most attention to, because this is going to give you an estimated idea of how easy this keyword could be to rank for. The lower this number, the better. The higher the number, the more likely you want to stay away from that keyword, unless of course you have an authority website or an authority YouTube channel. Jumping over to page 3, you can see we have some more keywords here that are more likely that we could rank for. Now let's say we want to expand this into a lot more content for our website, and we want a lot of content based around espresso machine. So there's several things we can do. Number one, we can tick this box and we can copy this keyword, or you can select a lot more of these keywords and copy them. You can even start a new campaign with the copied keywords. That way you don't have to manually copy and paste them or type them in yourself. It'll automatically transfer it over to a new campaign. Or you can start a new campaign on AI Wise Mind automatically simply by clicking this button. And I'll show you how that works in another video. So we're just going to leave espresso machine ticked, and we're going to come up and click on Start Campaign. From here, it's going to take us back to our campaign page where we can select a new campaign type, such as People Also Ask. And if we scroll down, you can see it's already filled out the campaign name and keywords based upon the keyword that we had selected. And then you can come down and click on Create to get your list of questions. I'm not going to cover this in this video. People Also Ask will be covered in the next video. And then we have the top 1,000 keywords. So at any time, if you want to see Google's list of top 1,000 keywords, you can tick this box, give it a name, select the country you want, and then click on Create. You can see this does cost 100 credits to do this because it's pulling in 1,000 different keywords and providing you SEO data for it. Now in the next video, we're going to be looking more into the options under the keyword extraction section.